could have did better, but for my first time, it is what it is. I'm not gonna sit here and cry about it. I'm gonna wear this wig. I know that. Hey beautiful, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Maya K and this is my very first wig install. This is a wig that I purchased from Isee Hair and it's a part of their Princess series. So the wig that I purchased was a 12-inch Mongolian kinky curly wig and it's 150% density. That's all it says on this packaging right here. I'm sorry I had it upside down. So the wig also came with these 3D mink lashes. It came with this elastic band and it also came with these 2 wig caps. The last thing it came with is this pamphlet right here, which tells you how to take care of your wig, and it also tells you how you can win a free edge brush and a free satin scarf if you go on their website and leave a 5-star review. So I was so excited to see how well or how bad I was going to do with this wig since it was my first time. So let's get into it. Okay y'all, so I did the ball cap method. Well, this is my first time attempting, so I tried to do it. For my first time I think it's okay. But first of all, y'all, please don't mind that, okay? Let's just pretend that's not there, okay? But anyway, ball cap method went okay. So right here you see me taking the wig off the stand and I'm about to put it on my head so I can see how it looks. This is right after I washed the wig and after I put some noodle head on it and let it dry for a little bit. So if you watch Slay by Jordan, he installed a Mongolian kinky curly wig from Isee and his looked so good. So I just wanted to see what results I could get with it because I had never tried it before. So I'll link his video down below. And right here I'm just seeing if I wanted a middle part or if I was going to do a side part. The noodle head is still like at the bottom, but I had brushed out the top. So that's why it kind of looked like a real poofy at the top, and then the bottom is like
silky, soft, smooth.
Stiffer.
Wow.
No.
Yes, big.
No stiff bit.
Let's get her together, y'all. Now it's time to cut the lace. It's the part that I'm so scared of. Now wish me luck.
6.5 hours later.
Alright y'all, so I could not cut the ear tabs on camera because I was just too scared. So now I'm just deciding maybe I should do like I'm playing. Oh shoot. So right here you see me going in with the Got To Be Free spray and blow drying it on a cool setting to secure it to my head. So as I'm looking at this video, the hairline isn't too bad. I mean, it did come pre-plucked and I attempted to pluck it a little bit, but I didn't want to go in too much because I didn't want to mess up the wig. Because as you can see, I cut too much of the ear tab off on the left side of my wig, which was not good because my real hair is hanging out, and you can see that right here. You see? Like, if you're a beginner like me, don't make that same mistake because you don't want your real hair to be hanging out the side of your wig. Like, it's just not cute. It's not cute. So right here, you see me about to go in with this sharp razor honey. I was so afraid to use this razor because I was like, what if you cut your forehead? And just stay tuned and look at exactly what I did. Okay, is it gonna stop bleeding or what? Or do I need to go to the hospital?
The next day.
I think I'm gonna do like side part. No sidebar. This is definitely not a tutorial. It's just me recording my very first time installing a wig, and I just wanted to be recorded. So I'm using this mixture I just made.
It's like this. Ah! Patrick, you're so silly. Ah! Excuse me.
Black vanilla. I always gotta get the milkshake. Is this it?
No.
What about this?
Yes. Thank you.
Why you just tell me? Okay, gray on top.
No, I need you to do that.